Hi, I'm Dr. Bren. In this video series, I will be explaining the functional coupling within Jung's psychological types, also known as MBTI, or Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. This work is based on John Gianini's book called Compass of the Soul. I've broken this down into 3 short videos. In this video, Discovering the Compass, I introduce the 4 functional couplings, establish the foundation in Jung's work, and present the 4 couplings and their archetypal nature, ST, SF, NF, NT, which will set up the rest of the series. What if I told you that deep within your psyche lies an ancient compass, one that has been guiding human behavior for millennia? Today, we're going to explore a revolutionary understanding of personality type that goes far beyond simple categories. This is the story of how Jungian analyst John Gianini discovered what he calls the compass of the soul, a profound integration of Carl Jung's original typology with the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. To understand Giannini's breakthrough, we need to go back to 1921, when Carl Jung published Psychological Types, introducing 4 mental functions: sensing, intuition, thinking, and feeling. But Jung made a crucial observation. He said, "A closer investigation shows that besides the most differentiated function, another function of secondary importance is invariably present and exerts a co-determining influence." Jung discovered that our psychological functions never work alone. They always work in pairs. Catherine Briggs and Isabel Myers later developed this into the MBTI, but John Giannini saw something even deeper, something archetypal. Giannini identified 4 fundamental function couplings, ST, SF, NT, NF, that form what he calls the 4 archetypal modalities through which the soul perceives and judges the outer and inner worlds. SF, sensing, feeling, coupling, the queen archetype. SF embodies the queen energy, the parental, nurturing force that cares for the community, the caregivers and relationship builders who ensure human needs are met and people feel valued. NT, the intuitive thinking coupling, the warrior innovator archetype. NT embodies the warrior innovator energy, analytical, strategic, pioneering into uncharted intellectual territories. The scientists, philosophers, and explorers who battle ignorance, forge new understanding, and conquer the frontiers of knowledge. ST, the sensing thinking coupling, the king archetype. ST represents the king energy, practical, grounded, focused on mastery of the physical world, the builders, engineers, and guardians of tradition who establish order and structure. NF, the intuitive feeling coupling, the creator archetype. NF represents the creator energy, passionate, idealistic, focused on human potential and authentic expression, the artists and visionaries who bring new possibilities into being. These 4 archetypal directions form your psychological compass. Each of us has a natural home base, but true psychological health requires developing a relationship with all 4. In our next video, we'll explore the ancient wisdom behind this pattern and how it connects to timeless archetypal energies.